Hi friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is Python Masterclass Series. This is part 1 of the series. Today you will learn how to run your first Python application or a program, and we'll also learn about the variables. Those are the two topics I'll cover today. Let's get started. Before I start coding, if you find value in my tutorials, hit the smash like button. Have doubts, comment. If you want to learn, subscribe to my channel. If you want one-on-one help or training, write to me and email me. Let's get started with coding. Alright, I am using PyCharm editor. Let's me go ahead. I've created a blank project, empty project. I'm going to create my first file. Remember, file names must end with .py extension. That's what it will tell that it's a Python project. I'm using PyCharm editor. It's a free editor. You can use that, download it and use it. Alright, so let's go ahead and write the first program. I'll use the basic function built-in method called print, and let's print it. I'm going to say python main.py. That's how you run the program. You write python and then followed by the file name that you want to run. In most cases or most libraries, you would see the first file will always be main.py 90% of the time. Remember, to do that, even before that, download Python. Don't think that it can run without downloading. So this is an essential step. Make sure that you get it right. Alright, so I'm assuming that you have got Python, you have got PyCharm editor, and you can write this, and to run it you'll write python main.py, hit enter. It shows the output. If you can see this, congratulations, you just wrote your first Python program. Alright, now let's go to the next topic I want to cover in this episode, which is variables. This is the most fundamental building block of any programming language. Now, what is a variable? Think of it like a labeled box where you save some data or some objects, right? And Python is very smart. It will understand if you're storing a word or a number without you telling it. Unlike other programming languages, here you just give a variable name and assign a value. So if you want to say salary equal to 100, all right, so this is the variable name, this is the value of the variable. Remember to always use snake case. Snake case means when you have two words, when you want to explain, use underscore to describe it better. This is a string which is in quotes. It can be in single quote, it can be in double quotes, strings. So now I'm going to use single quotes to show you. So both are strings basically. Okay, you can use double quote, you can use single quote. Now this is how you write integers. It can also have something like decimal points, that's also fine, or it can be a whole number. Now you can also have different styles, like say Boolean value. So if you say is active and you will write true or false, then it becomes a Boolean value. Alright, so now this is good. We have got integer, we have got numbers, we have got Boolean. I think this is good enough for you. So let's go ahead and just print these values, and you can see that you are using dynamic variables to print instead of hard-coded value. Earlier we had hard-coded value. Now you are printing it from a variable. Now same way, go ahead and print all the other stuff that we created, that is the string and is active. So once you have completed this, that means you have mastered the basics of variable and running Python. That's enough for you in this episode. We'll continue with small micro mini learning series, and we are going to master Python and agentic AI and LangChain and much more right here with me. Hit that like button. Join me in the next episode. Thank you so much.